Don't forget, if you like art and you want to show it, pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. These are only going to be around till October 31st, 2022. And then after that, I'm going to take them away forever. So pick one up before then. I put these on water bottles. I put these on, on my laptop. I put them all over the place. But definitely pick one up if you like showing your spirit. Anyways, let's get back into the lesson. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Jason Voorhees mask, okay? It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, so let's get started, okay? It's going to be a round one, okay? So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve right here for the top. Going to go over here to the bottom. And it's pretty round, right, compared to his normal kind of oval egg-like shape. So that's kind of what we're kind of working with. It's a little bit, I guess the rounder, it looks more cartoony. Also, don't forget, check out the cartoony ebook, basically. It teaches you how to draw something kind of cute and cartoony. And a lot of that has to do with proportion, right? So a lot of it is you're making the eyes bigger as opposed to like making the whole head bigger. Very specific stuff. I put little charts in it too. So it'll just instantly, you can see what's going on. So go take a look at that ebook. Gonna go over here. Circle right here. We're on this side. Circle right here. And I'm gonna fill that in. To be honest, you could make this even bigger, but I'm gonna make it like that. I'm gonna fill that in. The cool part is that, oh, by the way, if you're using these markers, please do it near a window or something because they smell pretty bad. Line across, down, up right here for the triangle. Kind of the design on him. Same thing over here. Triangle pointed right at his eye. Over here on this side. Triangle pointed at the eye. Curve. Curve. All right. Gonna go over here. And you can draw 6 dots right here at the front, right? Which is kind of, pretty much how he is. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, by the way, okay? And click the bell notification. I post every season. And as I'm posting every season, I'm posting tons and tons of, cool drawing tutorials for you guys for the season. Yeah. Circle right here. Circle right here. Gonna go over here on this side. Dot. Dot over here. Dot right here. Dot right here. Dot right here. So 3 and 3 up there. Okay. Gonna go over here across. Circle right here. Circle right here. So you have kind of 4 lines across. A lot of this is gonna be the dot network, pretty much. That's literally most of this stuff. That's what's cool about it. Gonna go over here, out, down, over here, out, down, over here. Line over here, down, fill it in. Line over here, fill it in. Line here down the bottom, cross, up, fill it in. Like so, like so. Over here on this side, dot, 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 1, 2, 3. Over here on this side, dot, dot, dot. And those are a little bit more elongated because these holes, they're going at a slight angle backwards, right? So you have to keep that in mind. Since it's slightly backwards, it's just gonna, you know, happen that way. It's gonna be a little different. Dot over here. Dot over here. It's gonna be slightly angled. You can see a little bit angle of the mask. Okay, so see, look, there's dots all over his face, pretty much. There's like obviously all over the hockey mask. Such an iconic look. Whoa, I almost dropped my marker. Whew. All right. What are you interesting for Halloween, by the way? If you know, please write it down. I'm gonna grab a red marker to fill in these shapes. You don't have to do that. The other option is you can fill it in with black, but I'm gonna be doing that because I think it's good to do that. Gives it a little bit of flavor. I don't know what I'm gonna dress up like this year. I think I'm gonna dress up like some sort of dude, like a vampire, I think that's what I'm doing this year. Fill it in. Fill it in. There we go. We got those two there. The last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to give the entire thing a kind of bold line around the outside, okay? So over here I'm going to go out, curve down, curve over here. Same thing over here, giving a little bit of like a layer right there. Go over here this side. Curve over here. I'm drawing a little extra notch as a, you know, as kind of like like just a thing there, like as a, what do you call it, to kind of show the latch, right? The 3D-ness of the latch. Gonna go over here now, below this. Curve over here on this side. All right, and there you go. That's pretty much it. You can go back here and you can kind of check out some of the holes here. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like Jason Voorhees, if you like me drawing him, or if you just want to support the channel, click that like. It's going to shoot out to more people when you do that. And we do want to spread the Halloween spirit. So thank you so much. And that is it. I will talk to you in the next video. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you later, okay? Say hi to me in the comment section, and I'll see you very soon. And don't forget, I'm going to put up some templates to download, so go check that out as well.